So she's quite a lovely boat. There's also weight with this one, Marin's Fairlane, which is a 1950 subboat. She does have a large Mobile Model Marines engine in it. Obviously, as you can hear, she's got full sound system and working smoke, which I haven't actually switched on today because I forgot to switch it on while I was taking the video. But it is remote control. You can actually switch it on and off from the transmitter itself. But she does handle really well, as you can see. She can pretty much turn in her own circle, which for a large boat is just what you want really for a tugboat. She is painted up in the Gulf colours, so she was red and white. If it was that colour, so you can actually the ship's going in, you can actually see her in the sunlight, and it also reflected the sun off the boat, so in an attempt to try and keep her cool. It's probably about just over half throttle here. So she is a lovely boat, just sailing up here at Bury Lido, and it will be up here on their open day, which is on the 9th of June, and then it will be going up for sale after the open day. But she is a lovely boat, and nice features on there. She does sail, as you can see, absolutely lovely.